My chicken lost their sight because of the sickness they went through, the colies and pox that attacked them. So some of the chicken lost their two eyes, some of them one eye, and others remained with their normal eyes. However much they were also affected by the disease. But I've seen comments that this disease has spread all over. It is true because it is airborne. I recorded a video, but I won't be able to share it with you because YouTube cannot accept it. It is a little bit scary. I'll share some of the pictures, how my chicken were before and how they are right now, and I'll be able to share the medication that I used. Please go in the comment section and comment down below if you want the medicine that I used, because I used a different medication. I'm telling you that I've treated this chicken for almost 2 months. Actually, it is 2 months. Let me say 2 months treating the same diseases, and I could change the medicine every 1 week. 7 days I change to another medication, 7 weeks I change to another, like that, until they have recovered. And you can see how good they are. If you're passing through this kind of situation, your chicken are sick, suffering from these diseases, please don't give up on the medicine. Don't even take a break of 2 days without giving them the medicine. You can change the medication, but don't withdraw. And the truth is, it is hard not to lose the chicks. It's not because I lost, but every person who says that I've got this kind of disease, they lose chicken, even in the older birds, even the chicks themselves. So you can lose some of them, but you shouldn't give up, because those are some of the challenges that we face. Those are behind the cameras that make people quit poultry. Don't quit yet. Keep going. Don't forget to comment. I'll share everything if you're interested in the medication that I used to cure my chicken. Thanks again. Let's meet in the next one.